Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the studio/gallery with a little bit of leftover paint that's beautiful. From a swipe experiment I just did by using a foam core brush wrapped in cling wrap that cleaned off really well, and I dipped it in Floetrol, did I say that? And it was awesome. And now I'm going to think about whether I'm going to use that again or not right now, but I had to share. And I'm looking forward to wrapping up some smaller ones. I'll show you guys how I did that. It wasn't hard. I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and yesterday I did a swipe that I called Dancing Fools, and I want to do something similar to that. I've also mixed up some Amsterdam black, which is unusual, and if that Floetrol is the first thing out, it's because I shake them, I mix my paints in the bottle. So I am going to do what I've been doing right along, and try not to drop anything like a paint flake. That's not coming out. Okay, let's find something different. I like to mix up what's at the end, the edge of the canvas, because I want it dark as a background, but I don't necessarily want it just black. I don't know if that'll make any difference. I'm going to be doing a fair amount of dribbling, and I might do it from a shovel too. Let's have a little more purple there. You know what I really want instead? I want some Prussian blue. If I can find it, I'll use it. There it is. Be open. Oh, it's open. I like it when the plan comes together. So, I'm thinking maybe I can just, yeah, let's try it. Usually I would use my OXO omelet turning spatula, my flip and fold. But since this is handy, I can experiment with it more ways. And it covers pretty well. I think if I press harder, I'll mix the paint more than I want to. I don't want to go over it too many times. But because it's foamy, I can touch my edges up. That's pretty cool. It's not perfect, but it's pretty cool. So let's try it. Let's see it again over here. Let's go the other way to start with, so I can have that uneven. I like the unevenness toward the center. I love that gold in there. I think I can already see some cells, but that might be the Amsterdam black. I've never used it before. I've used the Amsterdam white, and I like it. I'm trying to upgrade my game a little bit. I'm expecting some new paint soon that is a great cell producer, according to Gail Burston. This is awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Amsterdam white in the middle. And I'm going to give it a quick spatula. Not get too freaky about it. It's just basically meant to be a layer of paint to help other paint flow. Now, when I named that other painting Dancing Fools, it's because I put a bunch of paint in the center of the canvas, and I'm probably going to put some more of this. And I'm going to grab my airbrush, I think. I'm going to try and be kind of random. Not that it's going to work, but I'll try. That's my hot orchid. That's a prism pour from Color Art. Did I find my... I did. I found my Venetian blue, but it's clogged. I want that open right now. I spent 20 minutes opening bottles before, and it's always the bottle I didn't open is the one I want. Okay, I got something. And I'm going to use some orange blatantly. I might even throw a little bit of green in there. I want some turquoise. I want all the colors, basically. Usually, I was going to put them in a shovel and dribble them, but at this point, it's not looking like that's going to happen. That's some neon purple from Folk Art. I'm going to throw a little bit of black in there. Actually, why not the Amsterdam black? So, I don't know what else I'm going to put at the bottom. I'm thinking gold. Because I like those cells down there. And the top is pretty well done. Okay, I'm thinking. I'm not sure. I got some red around here. There we go. And it's plugged, of course. Oh, and it opened! Yay! And a little Floetrol doesn't freak me out anymore since I dipped my swipe cards in there. I think I want some yellow. The question is whether I want this yellow. Yeah, with the orange. Which reminds me, I've got another orange I like, my Velveeta. I am not sure what's going to happen now at all, but I'm going to grab my airbrush, and you could probably do. Maybe I should start with a straw. Maybe I should start with my leftover paint. But I might be sorry I didn't use that on the bottom half, or touching up an edge. I think it'll be all right. I hope so. So. I have some other white paint too. It's very tempting to, it's mixed heavily with Floetrol. Now of course if I need more paint, I'll find out in a second and I'll add some more. I'm thinking maybe a little more of the white. And I've never actually put paint in an airbrush and used it. And I'm kind of betting on the fact that the Amsterdam black and white makes some incredible cells. Can't get this thing too close. Let's do a little more white. And I want some more purple. What's it feel like to want? I swear I opened my bottles. I swear I did. Okay. Now I've hidden my tweezers on myself. I want some purple. That's how bad I want it. Carefully. I think purple is the thing that's going to make me happy. This is an Arteza purple. Yes. If I find my tweezers, I'm going to want to clean that out. I did not throw them into the bucket, so they have to be here somewhere. But actually, I do know that there is another pair in there. So bear with me for a moment while I take off the yellow caked on paint. I want some more Prussian blue. Well, if I don't get anything else, I'll just have some fun mixing paints in the middle of my canvas. Trying to be a little cautious. And not destroy all the really cool stuff. Whoops, or make brown. Kind of looks like I just did that. So, for me, when things get brown, I add something else. grab a skewer. I think I am going to grab that swipe card that I had recently. Maybe that one. Yeah, it's got 3 points on it. Let's flip it over. I think I want the one with 2 points on it, actually. I'm not complaining about that yet. I think I'd still like the one with 2 points, but I tidied my studio again. Hey, you know what? I found one that's not pointed. I've got a single point. Yes. Cool. That will work. No idea if they're actually going to look like dancers or not. But every other time I've done this, people are like, that looks like dancers to me. So I figured I would give it a shot. There's an artist on the web that will make carrot shapes, a blob, and pull it down, and it will look like people. I am thinking that I'm going to throw some arms up in the air. Am I? Maybe I have a different tool. Let's use a palette knife and throw some things. It could be whatever they want to be up there. And then I'll put some gold dots in, and if they ring true to what's gone on in the past, then they might look like people's heads. Yeah, I like the palette knife marks. They look like feet crossing over to me, lower legs. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure about that. There are colors in there. I think I almost have enough white in this, and I like that. So a little color in there didn't hurt anything. Let's see if I can find my gold. 24 karat gold. Show yourself. There it is. Cool. And it's open! Yes. Doesn't get better than open. Now if I put some more gold dots down below, then that should be more dancers in the crowd, right? Somebody's got a really fat head. We're going to have to do something about that. We'll just blend that one away. The gold tends to spread, so I'm going to have to learn to be a little more judicious with it. Very stylized people. Let's put a few more people down here. As if a gold head would be enough. So, dancing in the crowd. That's pretty neat. I need to show you guys that. It is what it is, and it's kind of cool. It's not far off from what I had in mind. I could probably sprinkle a few more things down below here if I wanted to. But this time is good enough. And I'm just going to throw my tools in the bucket and call it good for now. And that's a party. Let's see if I can get on my stool and tell you guys I have over 91,000 subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please feel free to join us. I hope you join us. And look at that. Woo, it's a party. It's a real party too. Wow. That kind of worked. I like the drama of the black and blue background. That's neat. thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for all the wonderful compliments and kind words that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that have helped keep me making art for you guys and for myself. If you would like to be a contributor to help keep the studio making videos, I have a monthly drawing, and if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered, and you can find a way to enter through the links on the link tree, which is below the video, or on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner there are icons. The link tree is also a way to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes, and more for shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, that you can also find on the link tree, so that's a little redundant. Teespring clothing is below the video. And it's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I have over 1,800 videos, and they are organized into lists of 18 lists and also many more lists by topic and genre. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. If you'd like to help my channel survive, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, watch the video longer, watch the commercials, watch when the notification comes out, and please give me that thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. I don't think I get my fair share. The community board will have tomorrow's video listed on it, and that's when you go to my channel. You'll find that there. The Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group will also have tomorrow's video posted there. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, there. You can also find the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. Wait, I have one. You saw it. And the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, both really awesome tools, neither one of which did I take good enough. Keep them clean, don't leave paint on them. I'm going to have to check my tools after this. What did I miss? Ooh, I don't know. I think I said I had, if you have questions, please ask them. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. You have to click show more. It's underneath the description. I love you guys, all of you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive. Things are never easy for me at YouTube, but you inspire the heck out of me, and I hope I return the favor, and it seems like I hear back that I do more often than not. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget the end screen video will show you the prizes. The exhibition video each month is at the end of the month, and that's also when the drawing is. Bye for now. I love you again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I do it because I can.